And then check this thing out. This is their rolling bar. So this here actually converts into a bed and goes into this Happy Jack system. How it does that, I still do not know exactly. It looks like you have latches right here that are gonna drop the bed pieces down, and then somehow it goes into this system. I have not had somebody actually demonstrate this to me yet because it's been so busy out here at this event. And then it's gonna have these 2 bar stools here as well. So this is not a standard thing on a Fuzion toy hauler. This is something that is an option, and then Fuzion is working on a patent for this, so that will be pretty cool if they're able to get that. So this is a 13-foot garage back here. You can see the amount of space this takes up. This gives you a hangout space here to just sit around and hang out, have your bar top. It's a metal countertop there, so really, you know, durable and rigid. What's the word I was looking for? Rigid will work, I guess. That feels like that's metal there as well. You got the chrome Fuzion sticker on there. And then this should, yeah, it just rolls. So it's on wheels, and you can roll it back and forth. Then up here you have your TV. It does swivel down, so if you're hanging out here, you don't have to stretch your neck up to look there. You can actually have it sit right about here, and you can see it. Everybody always asks what this is when they come and look at a Fuzion because they're usually closed and they've never seen something like this before. You have your ladder storage up in here, so they give you a designated space for ladder storage. A lot of brands actually that I was looking at too that still do not have the flip down TV. So your TV is going to be set in place there in a lot of other brands. Have your wet sounds, speakers up here, storage space up here as well. Controls for your awning, bed lift, and lights all up in here. Half bath back here. You do have a porcelain toilet. Should have a soft closed toilet seat as well. Yep, and then you have a window here to vent out stuff, and then you do have even a max air vent fan back here in this bathroom as well, so a more quality vent fan back here even in the half bath. 38 tie down points in your welded to the frame tie down system. So they have this ladder tie down system, definitely one of the best, if not the best tie down system in a toy hauler, with it being welded to the frame. Your toys are not going anywhere. You'll see a lot of toy haulers with tie downs that are screwed to the frame. If I remember to put it on the screen, you'll see with this graphic here, these are pictures from a Facebook group of somebody that had a toy hauler with the tie downs screwed into the floor, where it was those D-rings that are screwed into the floor, ripped out, and their Harleys fell on top of each other. So this is something that's pretty important, having these tie downs welded to the frame to make sure that doesn't happen. And this gives you 38 tie down points in this garage, so you're not struggling to get straps to reach to the right point and stuff like that. Now let's go out this way to this other Fuzion, because this other Fuzion also has the bar setup in it. However, this other Fuzion has it up in the bed position, so we can see kind of what that looks like on this one, where how they do this exactly, I still don't know. When I actually get one in stock, I can play around with it and figure it out. But you can see here, that is your same exact bar there that is up in the bed position there. So, and then this will come down, I think. Yeah, they have them both coming down together. So this is how your beds will go up and down here. Well, this is how your system goes up and down with this little switch right here. Honestly, I'm gonna need one of these Fuzion reps to come train me a little bit on how exactly we're getting these bed systems to work and things like that. It looks like, gosh, honestly, I really don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to get some training on that. But just know, this is a bed underneath here that goes all the way across. You can see the cushions right there for the bed. So you have 2 full-size beds there, and then with your Fuzions, you can see they store the bar stools up underneath your cushion there for that top bunk. So wish I had more information on how to do these. I'm just really flying around out here trying to film everything, so I don't have time to go kind of grab people and have them demonstrate how to do all this stuff, unfortunately, because I have other RVs that I have to get to filming. But just know that that is kind of how this works here, and then when I actually get one in stock, hopefully we'll have further information then and can show more about how exactly this works here.